Hello everyone, I'm Steven. The last question on this week's Young Math League is quite difficult, so I decided to make a video on how to solve it. I hope you enjoy this video and make sure to subscribe my channel. Let's get into the question now. The question is compute log base 2 pi is equal to a to 2021, pi b is equal to 1 to 2021, and the term we're multiplying together is 1 plus e to the 2 pi times abi divided by 2021's power. And a hint to this question is to consider 2021st roots of unity. Let's get into the solution now. Let n be an odd number, and let epsilon be the primitive nth roots of unity. Then pi a is equal to 1 to n, 1 plus e to the 2 pi times ai divided by nth power is equal to pi a is equal to 1 to n, 1 plus epsilon to the 8th power. Since we know that epsilon, epsilon squared, epsilon cubed until epsilon to the 8th power are all roots of x to the nth power minus 1, then we can know that pi a is equal to 1 to n, x minus epsilon to the 8th power is equal to x to the nth power minus 1. And now plug in x equal to negative 1. We get pi a is equal to 1 to n, negative 1 minus epsilon to the 8th power is equal to negative 1 to the nth power minus 1. And after correcting the signs, we get pi a is equal to 1 to n, 1 plus epsilon to the 8th power is equal to 2. Now, let zeta be the primitive 2021st roots of unity. Then our original expression without the log is equal to pi a is equal to 1 to 2021, pi b equal to 1 to 2021, and the term we're multiplying together is 1 plus zeta to the ab's power. Now, when GCD a and 2021 is equal to 1, the 2021st roots of unity still remains 2021st roots of unity after raising to the 8th power. Therefore, pi b is equal to 1 to 2021. 1 plus zeta to the ab's power is equal to pi b is equal to 1 to 2021. 1 plus zeta to the b's power, and that is just 2. However, when GCD of A and 2021 is equal to D and is not equal to 1, the 2021st roots of unity will then become 2021 divided by D's roots of unity, which means pi B is equal to 1 to 2021, 1 plus zeta to the AB's power is equal to pi B is equal to 1 to 2021 divided by D, 1 plus zeta to the ab's power, all to the d's power, and that is equal to 2 to the d's power. Therefore, our original expression without the log is equal to pi a is equal to 1 to 2021, 2 to the GCD a and 2021's power. Then we know that our original expression is equal to sigma a equal to 1 to 2021, GCD a and 2021. Now, for each divisor d in 2021, there are exactly d multiples of 2021 divided by d, and there are phi of d numbers such that their greatest common divisor with 2021 is 2021 divided by d. Then sigma a is equal to 1 to 2021, GCD a and 2021 is equal to sigma d such that d is a divisor of 2021, and the term we're adding together is 2021 divided by d times phi of d. And that is equal to phi of 2021 plus 43 times phi of 47 plus 47 times phi of 43 plus 2021 times phi of 1. And that is just equal to 47 plus phi of 47 multiplied by 43 plus phi of 43. And that is equal to 93 times 85 and is equal to 7,905. Therefore, our answer is 7,905. This question tests on the properties of roots of unity and the use of Euler's totient function. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.